3, 2, 1, 15-minute chart, SMF Pro Trading students live. And SMF Pro Trading students are learning that there are key levels that are relevant to what we call momentum. And basically Amazon had sold all the way up, and it was on the left side of this diagonal trend line. Every time it went up, it sold. And key areas and key stock market orders were triggered. Now, this diagonal trend line, which is right here, puts us on the right side, which is to the upside of a trend. But what they're learning at here is that today, that we dropped down, we made a high, and we continued off of that bar there, and we made a higher high. Now, we reversed and held half of this trend line. This one right here, called the SMF Pro Trader bar. And this is half of our Pro Trader bar. Okay? And what we did was we pulled back, we held it, we are crossover, the 10 minutes crossed above the 20, and the 20 starting to, and here's the thing. This 15, 30-minute reversal, this bar is lower than that previous high. So let's take a look at what that looks like. That means that this high, right there, this reversal turn, is lower than the previous high. What the SMF Pro Trader is learning in mastering momentum and trends intraday is that they needed to see this bar go above the body of that bar, meaning that we would continue to go higher and build up the top of there. This lower trend line right here is half of that last 15-minute breakout bar that must hold support. So basically, it's more bullish when this bar that was up here at the high of that bar, that this would be green breaking out. Right now, we're going to pull back to half of the 15-minute SMF Pro Trading bar. And basically, we need to see this hold. What is a continuation pattern? A continuation pattern is that this bar would have continued to break out above the high of that bar, would have gone higher, would not be coming down and testing in here. And because that 15, 30-minute reversal, that high here was lower than that high. And that means that the momentum is not really strong for continuation breakouts. We'll see what happens in this 15-minute bar. The reversal trend came down, we bounced, but that high was lower than that high. This high was lower than the body of the high. Right there, that's the body. And this high was lower. And this 15-minute bar, we're only about 4 or 5 minutes into it, and it did not have any what we call continuation breakout.